Most people eat chia the wrong way, and they miss out on the science that makes it so powerful. But once you learn how to turn chia into gel, everything changes. Welcome back to the Mindhunters. Today, we're breaking down one of the most underrated health hacks, chia gel. Not just soaked chia, but a proper gel that transforms chia into a gut-friendly, nutrient powerhouse. This video will show you how to make chia gel correctly, why it works from a scientific standpoint, how it controls blood sugar, reduces hunger, and supports the gut lining, plus 3 simple ways to use it every day. We'll also cover the ideal daily dose and common mistakes to avoid. Let's start with the science. Chia seeds have a special type of soluble fiber known as mucilage. When soaked, this fiber absorbs nearly 10 times its weight in water and forms a gel-like texture. This gel does 3 important things for your body. The gel forms a thick barrier in the stomach that slows the breakdown and absorption of carbohydrates. This helps avoid sudden blood sugar spikes, making chia gel particularly useful for people trying to manage glucose levels. The gel expands in the stomach, creating a sense of fullness. This naturally reduces appetite and helps prevent overeating. It's one of the reasons chia is so popular in weight management regimens. Now here's the simplest and most effective chia gel recipe. Take 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 or half cup of water, warm or room temperature. Add chia seeds to a glass of water, stir for 20 to 30 seconds to prevent clumping. Let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes until a thick gel forms. Stir again before using. Your gel is now ready. For a larger batch, use 1 part chia to 6 parts water. To use chia gel, add 2 tablespoons to any smoothie. This adds fiber, boosts fullness, and steadies energy release. You may also add 1 tablespoon of gel to lemon water, cucumber water, or warm honey water. It hydrates the body while delivering soothing fiber for digestion. Remember, for most people, 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds per day converted into gel is ideal. That equals 2 to 4 tablespoons of chia gel. If you're new to high-fiber foods, start with 1 tablespoon of gel and gradually increase over several days. Here are the top errors people make with chia. Dry chia absorbs water inside your throat or gut. This can cause choking, bloating, or discomfort. Always soak them. Chia is extremely high in fiber. Without adequate water, it can cause constipation. Pair your chia gel with a full glass of water. Large amounts can lead to bloating, so stick to the recommended dose. Extremely hot water can destroy some antioxidants and cause uneven gelling. Use warm or room temperature liquids. If you skip the second stir, you may get clumps. A smooth gel gives better digestion and nutrient release. Now, individuals with difficulty swallowing or a history of esophageal issues should avoid dry chia seeds entirely. If you have IBS, introduce chia gel slowly to see how your gut responds. Chia may interfere with blood pressure or diabetes medications due to its effect on sugar absorption and heart health. Consult your doctor if you take these medicines. Always avoid consuming large amounts before sleep if you have a sensitive stomach. Chia gel isn't just a trend. It's a scientific tool that turns a simple seed into a powerful, functional food. When consumed correctly, it becomes one of the easiest ways to boost digestive health. So try chia gel for a week and watch the difference in your digestion, energy, and cravings. If you found this helpful, consider checking our channel memberships for member-exclusive benefits. Don't forget to subscribe and share it with someone who needs healthier habits in their routine. Thanks for watching. We wish you good health.